Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Sticky Toffee Pudding Traybake. Let's begin. Into a heat-proof bowl you'll want to add your chopped dates along with your raisins and then cover that with boiling water. Then add in your bicarb and it should fizzle, this is normal, and allow it to sit until you need it later on. Don't forget to give it a little mix, then you can set it aside until you need it later on, and just before you need it drain it of any of the liquid and then you can add it straight into the mixture. Into your mixing bowl of choice you'll want to add your light brown sugar and your butter and give it all a good mix until it's fully incorporated. It won't be light and fluffy as there's a higher ratio of sugar to butter on this recipe. Once the two are combined you can then add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition. As you add in your eggs you will notice that the mixture becomes looser in consistency, and this is normal. Don't forget to give your bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps that may have worked up in the dry mixture, and then incorporate this on a low to medium speed just until the flour is almost fully incorporated. Then you can give the bowl another good scraping down just to incorporate any bits of the flour that haven't been fully worked in. Next you'll want to add in your fruit mixture that you prepared earlier on and just give it all a good mix by hand using either a metal spoon or a silicone spatula, and just fold it in until the fruit is fairly distributed within the mixture. Don't forget to line a 9x13 cake tin, and then you can add in your sticky toffee pudding batter and then spread it out as best you can to get it as level. This just helps with the consistency when baking. So to make the sauce that goes on top, get yourself a small saucepan and place in all of your double cream along with the butter, the light brown sugar and the pecan nuts, and just give it a brief mix, then place it over on the heat on a low to medium, and you'll want to keep whisking it until it's thicker. You'll want to make this around 5 minutes before the cake is due out the oven, and once your cake is out of the oven you can go ahead and pour on your freshly made sauce and just spread it out on top so you've got an evenish coverage on top. There will be a full write-up of the recipe and everything you need to know, and I will leave a link to that in the description down below, which will take you to my blog, so don't forget to go and check it out. And if you can't have nuts or don't like pecans, feel free to leave them out of the sauce on top. This is completely optional, it's just something that I like. So feel free to enjoy this while it's still warm, or you can actually have it cold as it's just as nice, and you can even go ahead and reheat it if you really want to. But that's it for this week, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with another video, so join me then. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments down below, message me on my social medias or message me on my blog with any ideas. I will leave all the links you need in the description down below, so check them out, and until next week, bye guys.